Have you ever used essential oil at nighttime in your bedroom to help you sleep? If you did, how did it work for you? What kind of flavor do you find most helpful? I know for myself, I like to use certain flavors in my bedroom, and sometimes it really helped me to calm down my nervous system and make me feel peaceful and safe, so I fall asleep faster. So is there any science behind it, or is this just our assumption? So actually, when we dig into the literature, we will find there are quite several large systematic review papers from different Asian countries and US. They found similar results. So aromatherapy can help us decrease anxiety, depression, stress, reduce pain, and also help us improve our sleep quality. Aromatherapy is a kind of very natural treatment. And when we use essential oil, we can either inhale it or we can use it as a massage oil, let our skin to get it. So research found inhaling this aromatherapy works much better than massage. So now the question is there a certain flavor of essential oil actually works better for sleep? The answer is yes. That is the most common lavender smell. So there are quite different researchers to really look into why and how lavender essential oil can help us sleep better. So far what we know is lavender essential oil can really help us active our parasympathetic system. When I treat patients with insomnia or patients with anxiety, I always explain to them we have two different nerve systems, sympathetic nerve system and parasympathetic nerve system. They work together. So the sympathetic nerve system get us in this fight or flight state, right? Get us really alert and ready to deal with any stress and threats out there. So it's a self-protection mechanism, and it's the mechanism can wake us up in the middle of the night if we are worrying about something. Parasympathetic system, on the other hand, is a nerve system help us feel more relaxed, more chill, and feel lazy, feel easy. So if our parasympathetic nerve system is more activated, it's easier for us to fall asleep because we are relaxed enough. So sounds like, based on research, lavender essential oil really help us to activate our parasympathetic system to help us feel more relaxed, more calm. And then, of course, sleep would be easier to happen. Also, another research in 2009 find out lavender essential oil could produce a type of sedative effect to our nerve system and inhibit the release of something called acetylcholine. And acetylcholine is a type of neurotransmitter get released a lot more when you're awake. It helps with our cognitive functioning, especially memory consolidation. So if the release of it could be inhibited by the lavender essential oil, then you can imagine it's easier for your brain to shut down and be ready to transit into sleep stage. So there's another study from a Turkey research team. They studied patients with coronary artery disease. So when you deliver lavender essential oil to them, their sleep quality actually increased and their level of anxiety decreased. This is consistent with the other research we talked about earlier. There are also some other smaller sample size study focused on women with postmenopause. What they find is using lavender essential oil at bedtime can help those women with postmenopausal symptoms and insomnia to wake up less at night, fall asleep faster. This can even reduce the amount of menopausal symptoms they are experiencing. So if you're open to this idea to try some essential oil, maybe try lavender oil for several nights and let me know how it goes. But I want to emphasize one thing before you try it. Remember, I always emphasize you should never rely on anything to try to control your sleep, okay? So if you use lavender oil, please remember it's only meant to facilitate sleep. It just helps you to relax. After you feel relaxed, whether you are able to fall asleep or not, it's not guaranteed. So don't count on using some essential oil and suddenly it's gonna save your sleep. No, it will not be that magical. So accept that it may help you, may not help you, but at least it can calm you down a little bit, right? So let go of the control of your sleep. Leave some open mind to try the lavender essential oil. And hopefully you will feel some benefit from it. If you like it or not like it, leave me a comment down below, let me know. So I'm Dr. Yishan. Thank you for listening and watching. I will see you next time. Bye. Are you struggling with insomnia? Do you know there's one method out there? It's first-line treatment in many countries. It's very evidence-based and it's very effective. And it's called CBTI. So I have designed this 4-week-long CBTI course to help you recover from insomnia without relying on medication. I provide weekly Q&A sessions to help you tailor the treatment to your own needs and your own sleep pattern. Check it out at this website, mindbodygarden.com/insomnia.